big turnaround. Turnaround Tuesday lived up to its name. Our initial short strategies did well, and then we got long in the afternoon and did well in the long trades. Here is SR Counter Trend 2 E-mini S&P. This is an $800 profit target. Got short at 28.41. Low on the day was 27.28. Could have been a $5,000 profit target. And so that's one consideration when taking a look at these. During high volatility is higher profit targets, because that would have done really well with a much bigger profit target. Adaptive moving average struggled during the day and then ended up 12.50 on the day. Finally got long. Took lots of trades in here. So it's a very active strategy, and especially during high volatility. But it turned out today, and it was one of our better strategies, and it struggled in here. But it's making a comeback. So up 12.50 today. Tick Pulse V12. Thought this might make some on the short side. It's very hard to short with this strategy. It just keeps coming. It's like it just coils back and hits your stop, coils back and hits your stop, coils back and hits your stop. So finally, we got a momentum trade on the long side and up 24.6250 today in spite of a losing trade. And so challenging to short this market even when it's down. And well, today it was up. So trying to take market work to take back yesterday's losses, and so when you see a down day, there's an equal up day. So not much net change in 2-day periods sometimes, because the up days equal to down days. 60-minute breakout had a losing trade right here at the end of the day. This is several times this has happened. This has kind of gone into a bad pattern here, and so analyzing that, it's been a frustrating strategy. Minus 1,025 on the day on that strategy. Plus 475 on stock index swing. SR Counter Trend 2, V21M plus 475. The 5-minute plus 575. The 15-minute minus 725. And here are the results for this workspace. This workspace was up 38.50. If you're trading the 19 system stock index portfolio, you're trading 2 contracts of Tick Pulse. So that's equal to 2 times this. And so the 19 system stock index portfolio was up 63.1250 on the day. So if we go back to the 38 system version, it's just trading one contract. So you see the 38 system version was up 78.05 on the day. We're going to go over those trades now. It's the second workspace here. Tick Pulse in QV12 plus 22.30 on the day. Just tough to short, tough to short this market. Won't stay down. And SR Counter Trend 2 NQ, and you can short it if it's up. It's hard to short it when it's going down. So you see that here once again. Shorted at 82.4425. The low is 79.31. 300 points, $6,000 stop loss would have worked today. Not typical of normal ranges, but what you see was pretty much of a gap fill in reverse. So the market filled the gap and then it reversed, and so it's a classic pattern. And we wrote about it in one of our books. So let's see, tick count trend NQ is the next signal here. Minus 13.50. Had a down day on this. Got in at the wrong time in the counter trend rally. And SR Counter Trend 2 V2. The SR Counter Trend series, we know a lot about those. Plus 575, plus 575, plus 575, plus 575. And here you see those trades in this workspace come out to 39.55. And All Strategy XS3, Carbier 4 minus 625. Gold Flash, we changed it to just maximum of 3 trades per day. And it's on its 3rd trade, up on the day. And SR Counter Trend Crude Oil had a good day, shorting plus 475. SR Counter Trend 4 Crude Oil plus 475. And SR Counter Trend 2 Soybeans. We talked about this. We talked about the SR Counter Trend portfolio, and the SR Counter Trends today made over $6,000 if you just trade the SR Counter Trends. Here's one of the losers though, minus 844. SR Counter Trend portfolio includes SR Counter Trend 2, 3, and 4 in all the markets those trade in these workspaces, and so that is one portfolio to consider. SR Counter Trend 3 plus 475 on crude oil. Once again, good day in crude oil. All Strategy XS5 crude oil again, plus 575, minus 725, plus 575. So those are all the trades today. Good trading day overall. Here are all the trades for all the workspaces. This is workspace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to make a better presentation of this, but that's how it is right now. And when you hide all of these, 84, 23, 50 are the total trades on the day with all the strategies. And that is the trading day for Tuesday. It turned out to be a turnaround Tuesday. We are already looking forward to tomorrow's trade.